We started looking into Thomas Clear III a year ago when the feds raided his law office in connection to what could be the state's largest public corruption scandal. Investigative reporter Ann Perrette walks us back through what our investigative team has uncovered on Clear. Ann?
Well, he started his law career in 1982 working alongside his dad. The two founded Clear and Clear together. When his dad died in 2002, Thomas Clear III took over the family business, and starting in 2014, he served on the Public Defender Commission. But Clear says he stopped practicing law last summer, about 6 months after we learned the feds' investigation into his practice began. Before it was taken down, his law firm's website read, Thomas Clear III is, quote, the attorney you want on your side when facing DWI, DUI, misdemeanor and or felony criminal and drug charges. He will fight to get the best possible outcome for you and your situation. Adding, he's represented more than 7,500 accused drunk drivers in Bernalillo, Sandoval, Valencia, and other surrounding New Mexico counties. Now we know how he was so successful. Since he became known as a key player in a scheme to make DWI cases disappear for drunk drivers who hired him, Attorney Clear's been quiet.
No comment at any point, no phone calls or anything. Okay, thank you for your time.
This is the property the feds served a search warrant at on January 19th, 2024, the office for Clear's law firm. It's a house located on Aztec Road in the middle of an Albuquerque Northeast Heights neighborhood.
Hey boss, how you doing? Scared to death.
Albuquerque police officers responded here 3 weeks after that raid when Clear called to report this. Ring camera footage shows 2 masked suspects showing up to the office around 5 that morning. One of them cuts the power. Then, once officers make their way inside with Clear to assess the damage,
they were looking for something.
Yeah, every cabinet has been opened, every drawer.
And even hidden storage doors.
That's open.
Because for one, it's just a bench. How would somebody know that?
Nobody would know that, unless, but my paralegal.
His paralegal, Ricardo Rick Mendez, the first to take a plea in what the feds are calling the DWI Enterprise, who admitted to working with officers to funnel people they arrested for driving drunk to his boss. The feds say Mendez joined the scheme in 2008, paying officers to not file charges for those clients or to make sure they couldn't and wouldn't show up to certain court hearings, allowing Attorney Clear to request the case be dismissed. In a previous KRQE investigation, we went through 6 years of Clear's DWI cases from 2018 through 2023 and found his average dismissal rate was 63.3%. And with 2 APD officers who also admitted to their roles in the scheme, Honorio Alba Jr. and Joshua Montano, during those 6 years, if one of them pulled you over and you hired Clear, the numbers say there was less than a 10% chance you'd be held accountable. This scheme played out in license revocation hearings too, the administrative case that plays out simultaneously with the criminal one after a DWI charge.
Today's hearing is a video hearing. On the screen for the driver is Attorney Thomas Clear. Hello.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Mendez admitted to coordinating with those officers to guarantee they wouldn't show up to these MVD hearings, allowing the accused drunk driver to keep their license and drive without any restrictions.
The other testimony, the state will not be able to meet its burden and therefore the revocation shall be rescinded.
Records from the last 3 years reveal 87 officer no-shows in cases where DWI suspects hired Attorney Clear. Overall, his clients, the data shows, kept their driver's licenses 74% of the time they had a license revocation hearing.
I'll issue an order rescinding the revocation.
Officers, be safe out there.